Hi, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips how to use aromatherapy along with yoga. And very simple. One is you can cleanse your mat with essential oil, tea tree essential oil in a bottle of water and a teaspoon of cedarwood vinegar. The second is you can put it in a diffuser. Wherever you're doing it, you can use lavender for stress and relaxing, and you can use lemon to pep you up. And the third that I'm going to give you is you can take these oils, use it behind your neck, use it on your throat and your chest over here, and use it on the wrists and on the ankles and under the feet before you start your yoga. And this is going to make your yoga all the more exciting and fun. So try Aroma Yoga.